Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into some detailing products. Yes, I know this channel I do a lot of tool reviews and car repairs, but anything automotive related really is what I have a passion for. Not only do I work on cars, race car for a living, build my own cars, and I love tools, but I also love detailing. It's very rare for you to ever see my car, at least on the inside, dirty. Sometimes the outside you can't help that, but the inside, my OCD gets to me, and I love taking very good care of my car. But by no means am I a professional detailer or anything like that. I have just done it myself for many years, and I have a passion for it, so that's what I love to do. The only thing is I am trying something new, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. I've always stuck to store brand or name brand that you see in the stores, and once I found a product that I like for a specific part of the car, I stuck with it and I never changed. Well, I tried out some products from Chemical Guys, and I really love the products that I've tried from them, so I decided to order a kit, and that's what we're going to be unboxing today and going over. And in future videos I will be doing some installs of detailing my car. Once again, not a professional. This is a garage of learned detailers. All right. So by no means am I a professional, but I'll share the information that I do know with you guys and share the products that I enjoy and also the ones that I try out. So we're going a new route here. I'm going to throw a few of these in here and there, so I hope you guys enjoy. First up in the kit, also down in the description, I will have a specific link just for car detailing stuff. So if you guys are interested or like some of the products that I use for my cars, please check out the link below for that as well. First up in here is a Chemical Guys. This is a waffle towel. It's a weave towel or a microfiber towel, but it's got a weave pattern to it. It's better for soaking up water, and this is specifically for glass and windows. So that's one specific rag that I'll just use on windows. Then you get the wash mitt. It's a very nice soft wash mitt. It is the glove style, which is nice. So we'll be testing all these out in the future videos. Just kind of some information on it. I don't know if you can really read that or not. And I did a lot of research. When I try out something new, I do a lot of research on stuff. I always check out reviews. I checked out Chemical Guys and a lot of other professional brand car cleaners, and it's crazy because right after I started looking into these guys, they started to be sold at Walmart. Not a lot of their products, but some of their products, so I thought that was really cool. And then you got your standard 3 premium grade microfiber towels. I have, I don't know, about 50 microfiber towels, but you can never have enough when it comes to detailing a car because you never want to cross-contaminate your chemicals. It's always a good thing to just use a different microfiber for every different chemical. Other than that, get these guys out of the way. Boom. You get your Chemical Guys wash bucket. And the first thing in here is going to be their special design dirt trap. It's got like a whole bunch of these little, I guess they call them cyclones or something. And they all each have a hole in the bottom of them. They are cone shape, as you can see here. And it allows the dirt and stuff to get trapped in here and settle below, and it keeps the dirt and stuff out of your wash mitt, out of your soapy part of the water, and it traps it in the lower part of the bucket. Dirt trap. Weird how that name works. And then getting into it, you have this applicator pad. I believe this is specifically for the trim shine stuff that is included in here, but we'll get into that. But you do have one of these pads. Then you have a wheel brush. There's a part number. They call it a body brush. This is what I will be using on my wheels. It's soft, but still good enough to remove that dirt and stuff without damaging the rim or anything like that. So nice little brush there. First actual chemical in the kit is going to be their butter wet wax. And yeah, it is a Carnauba wax. So it's more natural. It's not really all that great of a long-term protectant or anything like that. It's more for a good deep shine to your paint job, and it does have a little bit of protection to it, but it's not going to last as long as some of the other chemicals out there. So, next up is going to be the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. This is one of their soaps. They have a lot of different soaps. The Snow Foam is more geared towards using a foam cannon or foam blaster, foam gun, whatever you want to call it. A couple different ways of dispersing a lot of foamy soap onto your car, and Snow Foam is really good for that. It foams up and suds up better than your standard soap. Don't ever use dish soap on your car, but by standard soap I mean car washing soap. And then they provide you with one of their signature series glass cleaner. I have the wheel cleaner of the signature series as well. These are all 16-ounce bottles. They do offer them in larger sizes as well. Once again, all this stuff is going to be linked down in the description, including this entire kit. Because right off the top of my head, I cannot think of the part number for the specific kit, but down below. So it is ammonia-free, streak-free shine for automotive, household, and industrial. It's supposed to be a really good cleaner. I use, Sprayway or Safe, something like that. It's a standard household glass cleaner. Doesn't have any protectant or anything in it like that, but it's a really good glass cleaner. So I'll see how this compares to that. I think it's called Sprayway, if I'm not mistaken. This is a silk shine dressing with a new car scent to it. Sprayable, 100% touch, dry to touch. It restores and prolongs UVA and UVB protection, pH balanced. It's not oily or greasy. So I'm going to be trying this on some of my trim work and see how it works on that to keep that nice and fresh and dark. And then you have a chemical or product called Speed Wipe. This is cherry scented. It's a quick detailer. It's supposed to reduce static electricity, bring back that shine to it. This is kind of for, quick little touch-ups between car washes. They have a few different chemicals like this that kind of do similar things but are a little bit different. And this will just be a good in-between car wash cleanup and also help get rid of some of that static electricity. So that's a really nice product as well. And then last up, as far as the chemicals, it is going to be the Diablo wheel cleaner. This is for all wheel types, and if I remember correctly, it says it's good for wheels and tires. Spot free, and it removes brake dust, so that's really good. It's 100% pH balanced. It should be a good wheel cleaner. So we'll be trying out all these products, and I really hope you guys find this interesting. Let me know your guys' thoughts. And besides the bucket and chemicals, what we do have here, and I will have more stuff coming as well, is the Torque Foam Blaster 6. This is the garden hose foam gun. If you are not in the market to buy a pressure washer, this is a good route to go. This isn't going to be absolutely, foam frenzy like a foam cannon will be, but it's going to produce a decent amount of foam and coat your car and lubricate it and everything for a good wash over just hand wiping it. So first up, you have the nozzle. It does have a screen on the bottom, and on this you have brass fittings, and this is a quick connect. This is actually okay. Here is the end. This is actually the nozzle. This is an adapter, so you can actually adapt it to a pressure washer, if I'm not mistaken. And then just have an ad in here. That's really it. Yeah, they show all the parts and everything. But other than that, you get the foam blaster itself. The bottle seems of good quality. It's not soft or anything. It's very sturdy. You have more brass up here. It seems to be made of good quality. You have a dial up here, 0, A, B, C, D, E, and that is just going to be different levels of how much basically air it's allowing to mix with the soap and water, producing a different amount of suds or foam. And there's your straw. It does have a filter on the bottom. That's kind of nice. It's built really well. The cap feels like it threads on well, so that's good. The quick connect works really well. One thing you want to do when using one of these is, especially if you're using a version for a pressure washer, is to always make sure when you do couple the quick connector, is always make sure it's locked on before going and applying water pressure to it, because if you don't, it will launch this thing off. So just keep that in mind. Other than that, it can rotate. And we'll be doing a review on this as well as a foam cannon, just to kind of show you guys the differences in that. And other than that, this little nozzle will go in the end. And that is it for this Chemical Guys kit. So, microfiber towels, wash mitt, bucket with dirt trap, 6 different chemicals, a couple brushes, and your foam blaster. And that kit is going to run you, well, depending on when you buy it, anywhere from $70 to $100. I purchased it when it was on sale for $70. So I think for that price, it's a really good deal, especially when most of their chemicals run about $10 a bottle. So I believe that to be a very good deal. I couldn't pass it up, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. If you guys have ever used any Chemical Guys products, let me know down in the description or down in the comments what you guys think, what products you've used, and if not, let me know what you guys are going to think of this series. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys in the next one.